Hey everyone, it's Amanda, Pineal Painting, Sarasota, Florida.
Just survived a hurricane, a major hurricane. If you haven't heard, or haven't posted a video already, this is what the street looks right now. I'm on my bicycle. I'm out trying to survey, see what's going on. There's a lot of, this whole trees right here fell down on the power lines. We lost power at 1:30 yesterday afternoon, and it's now 9:30 in the morning or so. And everybody's got roof damage. I had to climb up in the attic while the storm was going on and quick tubs up to catch the water, or else we would have had the ceiling would have been caving in several rooms of the house. I thought the water was gonna start coming in the house. Here's a cable line right here. See how dangerous this is? Look at this. This cable runs all the way through. Shoots down. People are trying to drive through. Very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. You're not gonna believe this. I just found a gopher turtle that survived Category 4, Category 5 hurricane. I do not know how, because the other holes that I just went and checked, they're all full of water. This whole road right here was a river yesterday. So, I mean, it was flowing. And I don't know, it probably doesn't even have a home to go to. Oh, all of the holes are filled up with water, and I'm really concerned because I'm not anticipating that too many of them survived. I'm just doing a check around the neighborhood. A couple houses that have got trees. A couple houses that got trees on their roof. It's crazy. All right, I'm gonna go around the neighborhood and see if I can find.
Let me know if they have gas though.
The moped made it.
Esa es la que hay.
Hola, ¿ustedes también?
No hay gas.
No hay gasolina.
El amigo mío me va a ir a recoger a ver si le dimos papel.
En la 75, allá abajo. Yo vivo después de los puentes. Ahí no vivo la primera casa que tiene el generador.
Tienen gasolina, no hay gasolina. No, tienen que ir allá arriba. Ahí es que voy. Mira, no está tan lleno. Ahora puede agarrar un par de cositas que quedan.
Ah, mira. Ah, pero mira.
I'm outside today. Pokey's in the yard. It's a good day. Turtle friends, some of my turtle friends made it. I'm so happy. You know it's going to be a good day when you walk out. You see a turtle just helping you mow the grass. It's like, thank you, buddy. I'm not very skittish. I had the pressure washer out one day and didn't really seem to bother him. So anyway, guys, I'm going up on the roof here. No volunteer groups ended up heading over this way. Anyway, I don't really want to use a volunteer group up on the roof to tarp it because I figure there's a lot of other people that really need that service, and why tie them up when I'm perfectly able that I can do it myself. So here I am. A little bit of the roof damage that sustained to the house. You can see here, it's still shingle, so no leaking. Got some damage to the other side here. Still shingle. Still got shingles there. This spot here, I had to go ahead and tarp this off. And there's a little above the door here. Pretty much only a little bit of paper showing where those two nails are sticking out there, but the rest of it's all still shingled, so no water got in to the house there. Over on this side was where most of the damage was, so I ended up having to pretty much tarp this whole thing off by myself because nobody was here to help me, which is fine. It wasn't that difficult really. Get a game plan. Now see in the back here, I still need to put another tarp here where you can see some water was getting in back here. So I'm definitely gonna have to put another one there. I did my best. I mean, I'm just one person and not really that experienced with tarping roofs. This is the first time I've ever had to tarp a roof. I've tore them off before. Got some damage here as well on the back side of the house, so I was wanting to do another one there like I did here with this section. So that's what the roof damage looks like. You can see where all the trees blew sideways. You can tell what direction the wind was going. You used to never even be able to see through, and now you can see through into all your neighbors. So pretty much most of the past few days have been trying to get this covered up. And then there was 2 palm trees over here that were leaning completely over onto the driveway, and had to have those 2 cut down. You can see there the nubs sticking up. Beautiful palm trees. It's a shame, but had to go, unfortunately. Don't want to get any damage to the van or anybody's vehicle really. So I did my best up here, and I made sure, and one of the things I did, I can show you here, is I took the tarp up underneath the shingle there and then put the board over top of the shingle, so that way any of the water will just hopefully not get in there. There's some open spots like here. Wanted to button that up a little bit better. Had to get some more materials, so did my best I could, stretching it over the peak and trying to get, and definitely took this tarp underneath that tarp as well, so when the water rides that, it's like a slip and slide. It's like a slip and slide on your roof, but when the water runs that slide there, it probably will hit that wood and get funneled off, but any rain that hits in that specific area there, got one tarp underneath of the other. Keep that water flowing. Anyway, guys, just up on the roof, wanted to show you that I did end up having to tarp off the roof, and I guess I'm pretty much a pro now. One time's all it takes, right? So yeah, I heard that some people in some of the communities were really getting taken advantage of, and people were charging like $2,000 to tarp off a roof. That's just ridiculous. I know where Pokey went. Sometimes he takes off and runs back across the street there. They got all kinds of burrows all up in back here. So